and this is cool school craft show. Today we'll make bird cages. It's easy to make and you need very few materials. Printable templates, glue stick, scissors, a big needle, string. Form the base. Attach the wires. Glue the top together. First circle goes on, color side down. With your needle, feed one end of the string through the bird and tie a knot. Make a knot 3 centimeters above the bird. Make a knot on the top of your cage. This is the finished product. As great as home decor, a birthday party decor. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
И улыбочка. Очень хорошо.
It easy to make. It easy to make. Cool school craft show.
А ты сказала, and this is craft show. Еще разочек.